Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to EI Spoken English Production. Myself, Emran Ali Roy. Today we are going to do some common expression while we are going to express our sorrows, bad feelings, and your anger. So let's get started. When you're feeling bad, you can express your feelings with these kind of phrases. You can say, I'm down in dumps. I'm down in dumps. He has a sinking feeling. Now repeat after. In the feeling, when you're feeling bad, buri halat mein, you can say, I'm down in dumps. He has a sinking feeling. When you're getting angry and you feel like you are getting mad, you gone crazy or you gone banana, you can express your lines with that. You can say, don't get mad at me. Hey, don't get mad at me. Don't act like crazy. What happened to you? He has gone banana. These are common phrases you can use on different occasions while you are facing someone who is getting angry. You can defend yourself by saying these lines by saying, don't get mad at me. Okay? Now repeat after, don't get that mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Don't act like a crazy. He has gone banana. You have gone banana. Now, the things that people feel happy, they have right to express their feelings when they're sweetly happy. They can say, he is at cloud 9. Fine shine at cloud 9. So, at cloud 9 is a phrase you can express while you are feeling extremely happy. You can say, he is at cloud 9. Hooray! That is an expression. Hooray! Yippee! Now the next thing is that when person is feeling sick and bimari pe, I'm under the weather. Hello friend, I cannot come to join your party because I'm under the weather. I have ache, the body ache, the toothache, the backache, the headache, the stomach ache. The ache is relevant to different sort of your body aches. You can join both all kind of your body aches. You can say, I have body ache, I have headache, toothache, eye ache, stomach ache. Any kind of ache if you have, you can express with ache. Well, you can also express your feelings while you feel, I feel a bug, I feel a cold, I feel a flu, I feel the flu, I feel coming on. Coming on, coming down on something. You can say, I'm coming down with something. Now the person who is in uljan, feeling confused, puzzled, there are some phrases can be used with these sentences, I'm at 6s and 7s. कोई परेशान हो गया है, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा, वो क्या करे, कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा, कमरे में दाखिल हुआ है, चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा 6s and 7s पर पड़ी हुई हैं, उल्ट पुल्ट पड़ी हुई हैं, तो वो कहेगा I am at 6s and 7s. अगर कोई भूल गया है, उसको किसी चीज़ की समझ नहीं आ पा रही, तो वो भी 6s and 7s होता है. I am at 6s and 7. She gave him a perplexed look. हैरान कुन. He gave or she gave him a perplexed look. So the perplexed look is that when someone is confused that who is this person? I'm curious about him. I don't know about you. So I would have a look kinda perplexed. So she gave him a perplexed look. Why? Because she doesn't know him. I'm straight. रास्ते में भटक जाना. मैं भटक गया हूँ. I'm straight. You are straight. This word can be used on different occasions depending on the situation, especially when you are over confused, totally puzzled and feeling angry, cannot do anything, you're helpless. You can say, I'm frustrated. Just express, say, I'm frustrated. And this kind of frustration can be also used on when you are in मुसीबत में है तो you are frustrated. But when you are strayed, आप भटक गए हैं, रास्ते की समझ नहीं आ रही, या पजल गेम खेलते हुए आप frustrate हो जाते हैं. So you can use such kind of phrases. Repeat after. I am at 6's and 7's. She gave him a perplexed look. I'm straight. I'm frustrated. Good. Now the last slide we have is all about feeling sad. अफसरदा होने पर I feel blue. Feel blue is also an idiom, can be used when you are sad. And at sea, when you are, जब आप sad नहीं होते, जब आप परेशान होते, तो आप कह सकते हैं he is at sea. He is under the weather. Under the weather and under the cloud and at sea. ये परेशानी की हालत में आप कह सकते हैं under the weather, at sea. Or when talking about I feel blue means he is sad. If I say I feel so down means I'm sad. I feel very bad, feeling not good. Alright, if I say I feel very bad means I'm not feeling good. I feel pathetic. This kind of situation, we are not in good mood, we are sad. Well, there are a lot of things that I have given to you in this video, in the videos that I have given in the last. So keep reading, keep practicing. Such kind of knowledge can be only provided over our channel. I hope so. I work for you. So what I deserve you should give me, and what you need, just comment over there that what kind of daily use sentences and conditional things that I can provide to you. So that's all for now. Thanks for being with the A. Do not forget to comment what you want so we could do for you.